Alright, hey guys, so I'm gonna go shopping in a Spanish supermarket and I thought I'd take you along with me just to see what's usually available and the different prices. So I hope you enjoy. So in the first aisle, we have some cosmetic products. The prices varied, of course, because some things are maybe a little less than €1 and some are above €6. A lot of these products were actually in English, so I don't know if it's because they're popular that they're in the first aisle, but it was really nice to see things that are mostly familiar. The items in the fridge are pretty normal, just yogurts, jellies, butter, cheese as well. Cheese is called queso, by the way. You learn that pretty fast when you get in Spain. On the other side of the frozen products, you have meat, you have seafood as well. So at the top, you saw some seafood, even at the bottom, so some shrimp. And along with that, you can get fish, whether it's salmon or other names that I can't remember right now. um, but along with that, you can have regular meat. And the good thing is that in the store, you have workers that are there that are preparing meat, fresh meat at the same time, so you can have those. And the ham is really popular, really common, so you can even see cured ham that's been hung um, on the stalls that people can buy. Really pricey, but apparently it's really good too. Another popular section of the store, you have the different types of chocolate that you can choose from. And you also have snacks. You can see a very popular snack right there. Principe, that you see right there, is another popular snack in Spain as well. Rice is usually around €1 to €2. And then you can get beans as well. And here, since Jaén is the city of olive and olive oil, you can get many different types of olive. I don't think you'll ever run out of it, of olive oil, I mean. But you can have other types of oil too, like sunflower or, well, yeah. Cleaning supplies are actually really reasonable in the supermarkets. You can see the gloves there for less than €1, and Swiffers. Spain produces a lot of fruit and vegetables for Europe, so you can get those items for reasonable prices as well. So you can see the prices right there. You can weigh them and package them before you um, purchase the items. Apples, coconuts, peaches, grapes, just different fresh products that you can buy. And you can get your cereals, some of them pretty common, like Special K and other Nestle items. And then you have cocoa. I think it's pronounced cacao in Spanish, I'm not sure. Still learning. However, then you can also get coffee. Wonderful, wonderful item. And you have different options here as well. And then you can go and get some other snacks. me. Okay, and then you have sweets. I'm a dentist, so I'm not recommending this. Now I'm showing you the milk products. I kind of went around in circles in the supermarket because it was kind of weird filming and trying to decide where to go. But anyways, sí, por favor. I'm in the teacher's lounge. I just got back from the supermarket, so I didn't really get much because I wasn't really hungry, but I'm gonna show you what I got. Right, so well, I got this candle, Frutas del Bosque. Smells nice. I think it's like berry scent. I'll check on it and put it on the screen. And then I got some Greek yogurt. Yeah, strawberry Greek yogurt. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge so I can, you know, have the rest at a later date and maybe have one right now. But I also stopped at a lunch place and got a sandwich with hamon and tomato. It's hamon y tomato. But that's really what I got. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be seeing you soon. Have a great day.